say the word. Help is on the way. We're the rescue birds.
I need to talk to you. What? What's that noise?
Rescue birds.
Yes.
Why isn't she sedated?
She doesn't need to be.
Celia, I've...
We'll make sure every animal's okay. That's what we do.
Rose, cut it out. Sorry. We need to talk. I crossed the OB intake records with the National Bone Marrow Registry, and I found a match. Emily Parker. O negative. HLA markers aren't perfect, but I can work with them. She's only in her second trimester, but we can use her amniotic fluid. She had a triple test last week. I botched the results. She'll have to come in for an amnio.
That's awful.
Her actual results are fine.
Yeah, but this woman's gonna be pulling her hair out all week thinking something's wrong with her baby.
Amniocentesis is a simple procedure. The risks to mother and fetus are negligible.
Emily.
What?
The mother's name is Emily.
Okay. If you have another plan, I'd love to hear it.